Hi everyone, welcome to Now How. Today I am going to share two easiest methods to convert a Microsoft Word document to PDF. There are so many times when we need to convert Word document to non-editable PDF, like when we want to share CV to others or wanted to share document with others and wanted to keep the formatting same when the document is shared on different devices. So without wasting any time, let's move to our first method. In this method, we will use the Microsoft Word to convert it into PDF format. So for this purpose, here you can see that I have a file of CV. So I'll go to the file. Next, I will go to Save As. I will click this Browse and this will open different options in front of me. The first thing that I can do is the change of the file name, and the most important thing here is the save as type. I will open different options and here I have to choose the PDF. Another thing that I can do is to go to options, and here I have different controls exactly what I want to save in the form of PDF, or I can leave it to the default setting and just click save. Here on the desktop you can see that the file is saved in PDF format. Now let's move to the second method. In this method we will use the different online converters to convert the Word file into PDF format. So in the search bar of the browser I will write Word to PDF converter, and it will open different online options to convert the Word document to PDF. So I will click this first. Here in this converter, first I need to select the Word file. So I'll click it and open the file from the desktop. After this, I need to click this Convert to PDF. When I click it, it will start converting the Word file to PDF. And once the file is converted, it will automatically download it, as you can see on the top right corner, or we can just click this download PDF to download the file. Now I will go to this folder, and here you can see that I got the file. I'll click to open and the same file is converted to PDF using the online converter. Thanks for watching. I hope you found these methods helpful in converting your Word document to PDF. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Now How for more Microsoft Office tutorials and tips. See you next time.